Hi, I'm Delene from Multimedia. I got to know PIF through my friend Delene. And why I was looking for a solution was because I'm second gen to my business, and I was really looking for an answer to how can I really future-proof my dad's business of 30 plus years. And, taking on, I have big shoes to fill, employees to pay. So I was really looking for a solution. How can I change my business strategy and future-proof it forward? And I'm very glad that PIF has, helped me a lot in strategizing my business. And they also taught me a lot about so many things that I don't know. So thank you so much, PIF. And I really enjoy the ACS segment where we have a group mentoring of close-up sharing and discussion on how to problem solve real business problems. So that is my favorite part of the SAP program. Thank you.